Hello children, welcome back again in maths classes with PM sir. We are studying rational numbers. We have completed two exercises which were very simple. Now we are going to start exercise second C. From here we will learn how to add the given rational numbers, how to subtract, how to multiply and how to divide. Okay, now your third exercise second C is based on addition, where we have to learn how to add the given rational numbers. So see, I have written some questions. I am going to explain one by one. See this, minus 5 by 18 should be added with 12 by 18. That is our question. Actually, we have to add all the rational numbers. So in the first part, when we have to add any two rational numbers, then first we check the denominator. If the denominators are equal, then numerators are added. But actually, the real method is we take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 18 and 18. LCM will be 18. This LCM is divided by the denominator. 18 dividing 18 coming 1. 1 is multiplied with the numerator, means minus 5. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Then this plus sign is written here. Again, denominator divides the LCM. 18 divides 18 coming 1. 1 is multiplied with numerator 12. So 1 into 12 is 12. That is the real method. Now, minus 5 plus 12 will be 7. Because one number is positive, one number is negative. So subtraction will take place here. So it will be 7 upon 18. That is the answer. Understood? See, the same question is second also. Here also we have to add minus 29 upon 56 with minus 39 upon 56. We have to add, means we will apply the plus sign. Now see, here numerator is minus 39. So when you take the LCM 56, because denominators are 56, so LCM is 56. This 56 is dividing LCM coming 1. 1 into minus 29 is minus 29. Then this plus sign is written. 56 is dividing LCM 56 coming 1. 1 into minus 39 is minus 39. Is this clear? Now both the numbers are negative, then number will be added. Otherwise you can write it in this way also. Minus 29 minus 39 upon 56, because plus into minus becomes minus, and since a similar sign added together, so it will be added. 9 plus 9 is 18, 3 plus 2, 5, 1, 6. Minus 68 upon 56. When you add these rational numbers, you will get minus 68 upon 56. But this is not your answer. Always your answer should be in the lowest term. So check that, can it be divided by any number? Yes, both the numbers are divisible by 4. When 4 dividing 68, 17 is coming, 17 4s are 68. When 4 divides 56, 14 will be. That means your answer is minus 17 upon 14. Understood? Addition of these two is minus 17 upon 14. See children, this is rational number, so you can leave your answer here. But I will advise you, if numerator is greater than denominator, then always give your answer in mixed fraction. Understood? If numerator is greater than denominator, then always give your answer in mixed fraction. So how can you write it? 14 into 1 is 14, 3 is remainder. So remainder is written in the numerator. Understood? Quotient is written here as the whole number and remainder is written as numerator. Denominator is the same. Okay? See, now I have changed the question because one question I have removed from here. So now this will be the order 3. See, we have to solve this question. Minus 3 plus 2 upon minus 3 plus minus 3 upon minus 5. Always remember, first change the sign of denominator. And how to solve? See here. This is to minus 3. Here this minus is multiplied with plus. This plus is multiplied with minus, so it will become minus. And here it will remain 2 by 3. Same as here. Minus is dividing minus coming plus, and plus into plus becomes plus. See this process. Here minus and minus are cancelling each other. So your 3 by 5 will be positive, and positive sign is multiplied with positive. So positive will be the result. So you can write here 3 by 5. Be careful about the sign, because most of the time this is the sign which makes the mistake. So be alert for it. Here minus is multiplied with plus becomes minus. Here minus and minus are dividing each other becoming plus. Plus is multiplied by plus. So here you are writing plus. After doing this, take the LCM of denominator. There is no denominator, means denominator is 1. Here is 3, here is 5. So LCM of 1, 3 and 5 will be 15. LCM of 1, 3 and 5 is 15. Now 15 is divided by this denominator. So 1 dividing 15 coming 15. 15 is multiplied by 3. See this one. Minus 3 into 15. You can write directly minus 45. But how it is coming, that I have told you here. Now this minus sign is written. 3 dividing 15 coming 5. So this 2 will be multiplied by 5. Now write down this plus. 5 dividing 15 coming 3. So numerator will be multiplied by 3. Understood? Now solve. Minus 3 into 15 is minus 45. Minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. Plus 3 into 3 is plus 9 upon 15. Minus 45 minus 10. Both the number have same sign, so number will be added. It will become minus 55 plus 9 upon 15. Now 55 is negative, 9 is positive, so number will be subtracted. So it will become minus 46. Number will be negative because larger numerical value have negative sign. So your result will also be negative. Again, numerator is greater than denominator, then change it into mixed fraction. You can write here 15 into 3 is 45. So 1 is the remainder. So you can write this number as minus 3 into 1 upon 15. Understood? By the same way, you will do this question yourself. I am telling you this last one. Suppose this is the 4th and this is the 5th. Though the process is similar, what will you do? First, make all the denominator positive. This is minus 7. So what can you do? You can write it minus 9 upon 7 plus this is 3 by 14. Now plus into minus becomes minus 8 upon 21. Pay attention here what I am doing. Denominator have been made positive. How? By multiplying minus 1 in numerator and in denominator. So minus 1 into 9 is minus 9. Minus 1 into minus 7 is plus 7. Here it is already plus 3 by 14. Here this minus is multiplied by plus becomes minus. Okay? After this the process will be same. Find the LCM of the denominator. 7, 14 and 21. What will be the LCM? LCM will be 42. In the rough you can find it. LCM of 7, 14 and 21 will be 42. Now LCM will be divided by denominator. 7 dividing 42 coming 6. That 6 will be multiplied with the numerator. Minus 9 is multiplied by 6. Now plus is here. 14 dividing 42 coming 3. 3 will be multiplied with numerator. So you can write here 3 into 3. Now this minus sign is here. Now denominator divides LCM. Means 21 will divide 42. Coming 2, that 2 will be multiplied with numerator. Means 8 will be multiplied by 2. Now solve and get your answer. See, I am solving this side here. Minus 9 into 6. minus 54, 9 into 6 is 54, plus 3 into 3 is plus 9, minus 8 into 2, minus 16 upon 42. Now see children, here two numbers are negative. So these two can be added. Minus 54 minus 16 will be minus 70. Is this understood? Since both the numbers have negative sign, so this will be added. And minus 70 plus 9 will be minus 61. So minus 61 upon 42. Can it be divided by any number? No, it cannot. So again convert it into mixed fraction. 42 into 1, 42. Then it will be 19. Okay? When you convert minus 61 upon 42 into mixed fraction, it will get minus 1 into 19 upon 42. This is the answer. Children, this is the addition of the rational numbers, which is your third exercise. Next exercise is only subtractions. Okay, so first pause the video, note down these questions. I will give you some questions as the homework. Okay? Okay, children, this is your homework. Add the following. You have to add these rational numbers. Okay, note down. Now we are going to start your next exercise, where you have to study subtraction of the rational numbers. Okay, children, we are going to start subtraction of the rational numbers. Say here, we have to subtract 3 upon minus 5 from 2 upon 5. So we will write 2 by 5 first, minus 3 upon minus 5, because we have to subtract 3 upon minus 5 from 2 by 5. So what we will write? 2 by 5 minus 3 upon minus 5. Okay? Now see. When the bracket is removed, this minus will be multiplied with minus and it will become plus, because minus into minus becomes plus. And it will be 3 upon 5. Now when we take the LCM 5, numerator will be 2 plus 3, because denominator is same. So numerator will be added here. Now it will become 5 upon 5, that is 1. So it will be the answer. Understood? It's very easy. See the second question. 3 by 5 from 4 by minus 7. So what will you do? 4 by minus 7 will subtract 3 by 5. Is this clear? From 4 by minus 7 we have to subtract 3 by 5. So we will write 4 by minus 7 minus 3 by 5. Now here denominator is negative. So first we will make it positive. How? By changing the sign of numerator and denominator both. In the previous questions we have done this practice. Minus 1 is multiplied with numerator and denominator both. So directly you can write here. You have to change the sign of denominator, then change the sign of numerator also. Minus 3 by 5. Now we will take the LCM of denominators. 7 and 5. LCM will be 35. Now LCM is divided by denominator. 7 dividing 35 coming 4. 4 into minus 4 is minus 20. Okay. Minus 4 is multiplied by 5, then it will become minus 20. Now put this minus sign here. 5 dividing 35 coming 7. 5 into 7 is 35. Now that 7 is multiplied by numerator. So 7 into 3 is 21. Now minus 20 minus 21 will be minus 41, because both have the same sign. So minus 41 upon 35. This is your answer. But one advice, you can leave your answer, you will get your full marks, don't worry about it. But you should know that if your number is in the form of fraction, though it is rational number, but it is in the form of fraction also, so always numerator should be smaller than denominator. Must give this habit to yourself. 35 into 1 is 35 plus 6, 41. When you will change this number in the mixed fraction, then it will be minus 1 up into 6 upon 35. Understood? Though this is a rational number, but we will follow here the fraction method also. Okay? In fraction chapter, I will make you clear more the things, but this is advice for from my side. Okay? Now see, 9 upon minus 13 from 11 upon minus 9. Listen children, the mistake which you do, I am going to show you here. Due to hurry, you write this statement. This is wrong. Be alert for it. Many times we teachers tell you not to do this, but because of hurry, you do this mistake. When you have to subtract a number from a given number, then the given number should be written first. 11 upon minus 9 will be written first. Then after you will put minus sign. And then after you will put 9 upon minus 13. This is the correct way of writing. Understood? Now see. Both the numerators and denominators are negative. So we will make it positive first. It will be minus 11 upon 9. Here this minus will be multiplied with this. So it will become plus. And here denominator will become automatically plus. When this minus is multiplied with this minus, it will become plus, and 13 will also be positive. Understood? Our aim is to make the denominator positive. Now, LCM of 9 and 13 is 117. When you take the LCM of 13 and 9, it will come 117. Now, LCM is divided by denominator. 9 dividing 117, it will come 13. Then, minus 11 will be multiplied by 13 plus 13 dividing 117, it will come 9. So that 9 will be multiplied by numerator. Now solve it. Minus 11 into 13, it will be minus 143 plus 9 into 9 is 81 upon 117. Now see, 143 is negative, 81 is positive. So here subtraction will take place. Minus 62 upon 117, and it will be your answer. Check that both the numbers are divisible by any other number or not. It is not divisible. So this will be your answer. Okay. Now see the last question. You have to solve this one. Suppose this question is evaluate. This is a simplification question actually. Since here bracket is applied, so first we will solve this one. How to solve? We can write here minus 9 upon 10 plus 7 upon 23. We can write it because this is negative sign. So by changing the numerator and denominator sign, we can write minus 9 by 10. Here minus 7. So this minus is multiplied by this minus. So it will become plus. Okay. Now we will take the LCM of 23 and 10. 23 and 10. LCM will be 230. LCM will be 230. Now 10 will divide 230. Then it will come 23. So minus 9 will be multiplied by 23 plus 23 dividing 230 coming 10, 7 will be multiplied by 10 plus this 10 upon 23 is same as. Now minus 9 into 23. It will come minus 207 plus 7 into 10 is 70 upon 230 plus 10 upon 23. Now minus 207 and 70 will be, one number is negative, one is positive. So it will take subtraction and answer will be negative because larger number has negative sign. So it will be 137, okay, upon 230 plus 10 upon 23. Now to solve this, again we will take the LCM 230 and 23. See, I am going to do here 230 and 23. So LCM will be 230. 230 will divide 230 coming 1 is multiplied by minus 137, so it will be minus 137. Then plus 23 dividing 230 coming 10 is multiplied by numerator 10, so 10 into 10 is 100. Now minus 137 plus 100 will be minus 37, because this is negative and 100 is positive. So subtraction will take place, and larger number has negative sign, so result is also negative. So minus 37 upon 230 will be the answer. Okay children, now this is the subtraction. Note down these questions, and I am going to give you some questions as the homework.